All right, guys, this is the day we've been waiting for. Post a couple of videos on installing a 100 amp manual transfer switch to the house, and storm just blew through, and I'll show you some clips of it. It some nickel size hail, powerful winds, and it didn't last too long, but it definitely knocked out our power. So outside, we've got the Duramax 12,000 watt generator going. We've got it hooked in with a 50 amp plug to the house. Manual switch is engaged. I've turned all the breakers except for like air conditioning and the oven and dryer. Turned all on, so we should have plenty to run the lights, the TVs, fans. Puppies aren't happy about it, but we got power, so that's a pretty nice thing to have when the storms hit. So I'll show you some more on the setup, and yeah, it's working out just like it should. And boys are on their way home, and they can play their video games, and they won't even notice. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, shoot me a comment and I'll let you know what we did. Thanks very much.